In today's video, we're going to share 10 simple 10-minute habits that can level up your brain power and help you feel physically and mentally fit throughout the day. These habits are super easy, and if you follow them, you'll beat procrastination and feel more productive. You don't have to do all of them, just pick the ones that suit you best and get started. But hey, stick around until the end, because there's definitely something here for everyone. So without further ado, let's get started with our 10-minute daily hacks. 1. Drink a glass of water. Okay, here's a question. Did you know that 70% of our brain is water? Yeah, no kidding. And if you don't drink enough water after waking up, your brain will literally be like, help, I'm dry as a desert. When you sleep for 7 to 8 hours, your body gets dehydrated. That's why, after waking up, you might feel like a zombie with a headache. To fix that, just drink 1 or 2 glasses of water first thing in the morning. It'll give your brain the boost it needs, help detox your body, and make you feel alive again. Oh, and pro tip, if you're feeling fancy, you can add a squeeze of lemon. But to no pressure, okay? Just drink water like a champ. Bonus tip. Chapter 2, make your bed. So there's this Navy Admiral, William H. McRaven, who gave a speech saying that if you want to always change the world, you should start by making your bed. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the deal. Making your bed first thing in the morning is like giving yourself a high five for completing the first task of the day. Trust me, it feels like a tiny victory and motivates you to tackle the rest of your day like a boss. Also, having a neat bed is much better than returning to a pile of blankets, right? 3. Listen to music. Did you know that your music taste can reflect your personality? Yep, that's true. Just 10 minutes of your favorite feel-good music can totally boost your mood, It's science. Now here's a tip. Don't go blasting rock or heavy metal early in the morning unless you're trying to wake up the entire neighborhood. Instead, start your day with something positive and soothing, whether it's classical, acoustic, or your favorite instrumental. Read something inspiring. Want to start your day feeling like you can conquer the world? Then spend just 10 minutes reading something inspiring. No need to dive into heavy textbooks or novels. Just grab a book with short, uplifting stories. One of my personal favorites is Dr. Robert Schuller's Tough Times Never Last, But Tough People Do. The stories are short, 1 or 2 pages max, but they pack a punch of motivation. So if you want your mind to be in the right space and for the day, spend some time reading something that fires you up. 5. Practice breathing. Meditation might sound like a big task, but even just focusing on your breathing for 10 minutes can do wonders. Breathing exercises can reduce stress, improve focus, and make you feel more relaxed. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. If you're stressed or tend to overthink, like me when I can't decide what to eat, this simple practice will help you chill out and feel energized for the day ahead. Stretching. Orthopedic surgeons say that a bit of stretching in the morning can reduce muscle soreness, boost blood flow, and make you feel less like a rusty old machine. Just 10 minutes of stretching can make your body feel loose and flexible for the entire day. 7. Catch some sunlight. Sunlight is your natural energy drink. It gives you vitamin D and also boosts the production of serotonin in your brain, also known as the happy hormone. If you're feeling down or unmotivated, stepping outside for 10 minutes in the sunlight can totally brighten your mood. Pun intended. Jimnate, take a cold shower. I know what you're thinking. Cold showers, no thanks. But hear me out. Cold showers can wake you up, clear your mind, and boost your energy levels like nothing else. And there's research to back this up. They increase white blood cell count, which helps your immune system stay strong. Plus, after a cold shower, you'll feel like you just conquered a dragon. 9. Plan your day. If you want to make sure you don't forget anything, spend 10 minutes planning your day. It's the ultimate life hack. Jot down your tasks on paper, yes, old school style, and you'll feel super organized and on top of everything. Chapter 10. Reflect on your goals. Before you reach for your phone in the morning, take some 10 minutes to reflect on your life, your goals, and where you're headed. Think about what you want to achieve today and how you can make the day awesome. This will give you clarity and help you feel more focused. And that's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Also, let us know in the comments which habit you're going to start with. Thanks for watching. Again, subscribe channel.